Hello and welcome to Flipkart. My name is Radhika and today we're going to explore the latest series of Haier's frost-free refrigerators. This is HRF 3674 brush-lined refrigerator whose capacity is 347 litres. This series comes in two more capacities, 310 litres and 335 litres. Now this refrigerator is designed keeping in mind modern needs, with the objective of delivering brilliant performance while keeping your electricity bills low and your carbon footprint to the minimum. One look at it and you know it's super spacious. Haier refrigerators are designed to deliver the fastest cooling in an hour with its surround cooling system. This ensures that every corner is equally cooled and your food stays fresh. And to make it virtually maintenance-free, it comes with the auto defrosting mode, which saves you the tiring task of defrosting and cleaning the fridge. It also comes with an inbuilt voltage stabilizer which smoothens out voltage fluctuations, thus keeping the compressor safe. The Haier refrigerator is equipped with a powerful compressor, which has been designed keeping in mind India's scorching summers. This circulates chilled air faster and keeps your food fresh longer. So much so that you can get perfectly formed ice cubes in about 60 minutes from its cleverly designed twist ice trays using the 1-hour icing technology. Now, all of us stuff food containers into our refrigerators, blocking the refrigerator's air ducts, which leads to uneven cooling. This problem has been solved with its unique 360-degree airflow system, which cools every corner of the fridge evenly. The quality of material used for the exterior shell and components within the refrigerator have been chosen carefully to fight off any kind of corrosion. This makes the fridge sturdy while making it aesthetically appealing so that it adds beauty to your kitchen. Now, a lot of talk has been floating around about the harmful nature of the gas used in compressors of refrigerators. Haier is a responsible company which respects nature and uses an eco-friendly gas that does no harm to the environment. So friends, here goes my final word. Haier has perfected the science of preserving food nutritionally with its unique 360-degree cooling. Its 1-hour icing technology and aesthetically beautiful design is an added cherry on the top. So are you still thinking? Come join the Flipkart family. Sit back and relax. Let us bring to your doorstep quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo for all our products and an assured brand warranty. Thank you so much for watching. Have a perfect bye.